See, you're looking for a bunch of this today. It's not even money. Haven't been money since August of 71. It's a Federal Reserve note. It's a legal tender. Come on, that's what it says right on the thing. Federal Reserve note. See, I'm sorry, your lack of knowledge is why you bring the pain home all the time. Congratulations. So if we can add some connecting the dots, you could probably get through fighting through the pain, but it's up to you. So listen, what do we do? Okay, so you felt that an SS5 or mommy did. Okay, you got your SSN, congratulations. And now you connected to the 1040 tax return. There's your tax return. Wow, that's special. You see, nobody likes tax. But again, it basically is what we have to pay anyway, because that's the way it works. But again, should we be overtaxed or should we do tax balancing? Let's understand how to play the game to win. That's what this means. Okay, now you're in a paycheck. What do you do? First thing we have to understand is husbands and wife and what we do, good or bad. I'm going to tell you my philosophy for me is God, family, money. God, family, money. Now, when I say family, I mean one. My wife and I became one 20 plus years ago. One under God's eyes. This is what I believe, okay? So what happens is you get a paycheck. Now, your paycheck for you, do you need $64.20, okay? Or do you need $10,000? Do not tell me I want $10,000. No. What do you need to pay your bills? Okay? What do you need to pay your bills? I don't believe you know your numbers. Okay? I think you're doing a half-ass blah, blah, blah job, and you got to step up to the plate because you want to change your life if you want to, but it's up to you. So let's do this. So here we have. Now, we're going to basically understand how it works. They're doing tax balancing. I'd like you to do tax balancing as well, okay? I would like you to think about today, your paycheck is taxed. This is the IRS again. IRS is where the bullies go work. Nobody likes them anyway. All right, we don't like them at all. But what do we have to do? You are trying to do tax balancing. Now, we're going to write down U for husband. Circle it. We're going to write down U for wife. Fantastic. Oh, goody. You became one. Isn't that sweet? We became one under God's eyes, which is great. Now, from now on, you became one under God's eyes. From now on, you do nothing together at all when it comes to finance and money, because your problem is you. Okay, you buy a house, it's escrow closed, homestead trust. I bet you didn't do the homestead. Did you put in irrevocable trust before you got the keys? Nope. The house would have a problem. It should be a married person's own separate property. When you buy the house and you lose the house, they report it to the IRS as a 1099-C. And if you bought a joint, guess what? You're both a bunch of ducks and sheep. Congratulations. Why don't we put it into a trust, irrevocable trust? So let's play my way, your way. I'm going to say it sucks, my opinion. Okay, so here we have a problem. Husbands and wives, house and car are bought separate from now on, and we don't use the word and. If you use the word and, you should have a bar of soap and wash it out of your mouth, okay? We're going to use the word or. That's the only word you're allowed to use, okay? Because in your life, all right, one of us is going to go to a better place. If you use the word and, you can't sign anything. Now you stuck yourself in probate. You're going to plan the problem from now on. Write it down. I will plan the problem because Ray Reynolds said so. Write it down. I want to change your life, but I'm going to tell you what to do. I don't like your way. I think your way sucks. This is my opinion. But again, what do? If you want to win the game of business, we go from the basics. So what do? We take my first series out there in the late 70s and 80s. Okay, no problem. If we learn the game of business, play the game, play to win. The credit game, I wrote that too, by the way. So if we understand how it works, we could actually probably get past go. Now, I got lucky while I was being used and abused. I paid attention, wrote things down all the time. When I got to help Ken Yarborough with TRW Experience, that was a different experience. My suggestion was the oldest credit card. So understand. All right, that's what stays and then makes it steady. But then I came up with the 29% rule. I want you to write down 29% rule. Write it down, 29% rule. Got it? Now, these are cards that I'd like you to think about putting a sticky in the back. I'd like you to dummy proof this because we're a bunch of dummies sometimes. I feel like a dummy sometimes. So again, this is a 50, this is 10. Now, let's use some common sense. And what's going to happen is you're going to learn how we'll set up and how to help yourself today. This is a $10,000 credit card, 10,000. The sticky behind the card needs to be 10,000. What is 2,500? What is 2,900? Okay. Now, understand, I designed this when I was my suggestion back then with Yarborough and Harold Stokes and all these people is to have the 28% rule. It's in place to this day, by the way. So if you're at 29% on this card, you're in the green. Okay. If you go to 3,000, you're in the yellow. At 5,000 is you're in the red. So you have 50%. So we have like a stop sign. That's how it works. Okay. So I'd like to get you 7 of these and 1 of these. Is that all right? This is a 50. This is a 10. I'd like you to have 100,000 in credit. Now you can throw this away when we're done if you want to. But write down Ray Reynolds, Godfather Credit says have 100,000 of credit. 29% rule, that leaves you 71,000 of safety credit in case you have an old blankety blank day, month, week, or year. Now, gold and platinum cards do not fluctuate. Write it down. They do not what? Fluctuate. All right, I'm an affiliate, okay, an affiliate. All right, I wanted to always give information to the credit bureaus. I'm also a consultant, even for banks for many years. So I said, let's do a POT, pay over time limit. They're unlimited, and they also use dummy code. I use dummy card. I created that. They copied that too. Blueprint of success. I own the rights. I use blueprint loan. Okay, so what do? They don't fluctuate. If you jacked up the wrong card, your score dropped and you got stuck, you couldn't get it anymore. You're a good person. You're great people, most of you. But again, what did you do? You backed yourself in a corner and now you're stuck and it sucks. That's what happens. So again, they don't, write it down. American Express gold and platinum do not fluctuate. I know you see a bunch of circus clowns out there. You need to get this card, blah, blah, blah. I watched some kid ripping people off American Express for $250,000. And I can't believe it's even on a social media platform, but it sucks. So can we listen? Can we learn? Okay. All right. Holy free moly. I took my first course from you 30 years ago. Well, guess what? This is 1T. Okay. No problem. 30 years ago. As you know, then I'm not full of you know what. And on top of that, all right, hopefully you listened and learned back then because I've been doing this for how many years? 49 years. Isn't this fun? See, I get kids and their grandkids and grandpa and everyone else through the process. So we get to have fun. Only 2 cards in the world fluctuate. Understand? What we don't want to do is screw up our family. What did I say? God, focus, family, wife and husband one, that's me, and money. So I want to give you the blueprint of success and show you how to do this right. And I'll even offer to do one for you, customized for you too. But I'll charge a fee for that, okay? So we play the game to win. Do you want to change your life? It's very simple. I think you found yourself in a rut. Wife, husband, kids, catfish, and all that crazy stuff. And you're not as happy as you should be. You should have $100,000 a month coming in automatically, and enjoy your life. Instead, you're stressed out half the time. And your friends and family kind of rip you off as well. And this kind of sucks. So what do? I like goodies. You like goodies yet? Okay. Every goodie is a division of a corporation. So let's understand what we're going to do now. Come on. We're going back here. I had a different problem in 1984. So we're going to write down 1984 and 1985, what I did to change the rules and tools for the world. I'm Ray Reynolds, the Godfather Credit, 60 billion of credit. And my clients will say, yeah, he's been out there 49 years, 6 days a week to help you. Well, I had a problem in 84. I owned a bunch of Shakey's pizzas, 31 flavors. All right. I had a Jack in the Box when I was 19 and Subways and, all these things, shopping centers and condos. My problem is in 84, they sent me a letter in California. They said I have to pay a franchise tax fee. That fee today is $1,000, $800 to $1,000 per corporation. And if you listen to some of the circus clowns out there, you need 5 LLCs. No, you don't. That's a bunch of hooey. It's a bunch of crap. But again, what happens? Half of you have a corporation you set up, you didn't do a damn thing with it. It sit there doing nothing. 97% of businesses fail all the time in 3 to 5 years. They didn't build structure to build finance and get the dream. No one held their hand. Now, I've done this for 37 million millionaire clients and 39 billionaires now. And I've helped 50 million people learn division process. So maybe I can get you to turn these up today. What do you think? So we're going to play. Let's do this. Come on. All right. You're going to have 9 boxes. You might have LLC. Do you have 9? Which one you have? LLP, C Corp, S Corp, nonprofit, and PC. Supreme Court said it's a legal what? Person. So let's write down these entities, write them out on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter what kind you have right now. It's a legal person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? We are going to create a line of defense. A line of defense. So when you have an old blankety blank day, you can protect your family. This is a corporate umbrella. This is the line of defense. Okay? So if you're an expert in real estate, fantastic. Goody for you. Put 3 properties in an LLC. And if one sues, they screw you all up. There you go. Come on, it's on Secretary of State's website. You're the duck and sheep. You walk around going quack, 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 or ba, ba, ba. Which one? Well, you're both of them. So that's how it works. See, you have to understand how to play the game and win. And I've only done this for 49 years, by the way. Okay. There's my house at the time, and this is basically Portofino Cove. We have Portofino, Seascape, and basically Coral Cape. Now, I have houses on all 3 islands, so there's 5 islands there anyway. Have fun. I parked my yacht in my backyard. Where do you park yours? It's simple. You see, what we did in 2009, we took out the yacht with a group of people, okay? Unfortunately, the next morning, I was in a coma. My $3.7 billion of structure, they stole it because I was going to die in a coma. I got to come back. Ooh, peekaboo. So, goodies. Let's understand. If we look at basic today, what you need to do for you, okay? You're going to understand how to play the game and win. Banks and grocery stores and cities are corpse to corpse. That's old school, by the way, if you don't know old school. What do we get to do? We get to play. So let's understand what we're trying to do today. Winning the game of business, no problem. If we're going to do this, it's corp to corp back then. Well, I changed the rules and tools in 84, 85, 86. My next system was Books for Dummies. I wanted to call it Books for Dummies because I feel dumb when I do something new. So let's understand what this means. I created, because that book was actually taking that name, so I called it the Blueprint of Success. I own the rights to that for 40 years. And also, guess what? It's the Millionaire's Founders Kit. So if you take a picture, you can scan it right now. You can DM me in the link tree below and all the other things you get to do. And you could play the game to win. As this person from 30 years ago probably remembers, they went to the Bonaventure and they were at the Long Beach Marriott every Saturday, all right, for years, okay? So what do we do? So if you wanted the 12 books and CDs to build the $1 Million Founders Kit and to build your $1 Million company, it's right there. It's up to you. I sold it for $5,000 a set per event, by the way. Rags to riches. Well, all I can tell you is I was born in a taxi. Mommy and Daddy didn't want me. They weren't even married at the time. They left me in a trash can outside Gordon Hospital. They left a note to give me a girl's name, and then they put their name there, and the reality is they took their name, and so they called them to come back and pick me up. Wow, isn't that great? Then Carl kept saying I picked up the wrong one. What up? Anyway, what do we get to do? You break your what? New Year's resolution already? It's only the 13th of January. What the heck did you do? So let's go back to